So my name is Rhys Pridmore. I'm Programme Area Leader for Carpentry and Joinery, and I look after the day-to-day running within this department with a focus on the machine shop as well. We wasn't looking for a Salvador at the time. We was looking at a radial arm. Again, we went to the showroom and this was demonstrated, and it was one of the first that we kind of agreed on straight away, and it was down to accuracy, repetition, and the main aspect for us was safety. Radial arms are known for not being the safest from the pulling out of the blade, whereas this, it's kind of, let's say, idiot proof. So typically on the Salvador, it's mainly 2 to 3 inch sawn timber, European redwoods, that kind of stuff. We have been cutting some hardwoods on it as well, but it's mainly big stock, get it down in smaller manageable lengths for the learners to then process on our other machines. It's absolutely brilliant, and although we still watch learners on it, we're less scrutinous of keeping a keen eye, and they feel safe as well, and that's what it's all about. We just had a radial arm saw, and it's the first crosscut we had, and we're over the moon with it. It's spot on. We was unsure of what we wanted because we had a budget for so many machines, and I think the team at Daltons, Kyle and everybody from the sales to the engineers, they've kind of hit home what we can and can't do, made it reasonable for us, and it's exactly what we want, especially for a FE college, ensuring that our learners are ready for industry. All this is just, it is for the staff, but it's more for the learners. That's all it is. It's to ensure that our learners have got the best footing in the door, so when they go out into industry, these are going to be what they typically come across in a good workshop, because the machine shop we've got now is good.